Welcome to SGT Times, bringing stories from campus birds to major world updates. I am Ridhima Pathak and these are today's top headlines. SGT campus comes alive for Deeksharambh 2026. Acting workshop builds camera confidence among students. BRICS nation join hands for environmental solutions. Here's a detailed look at our stories. A vibrant new beginning unfolded at SGT University as fresh faces, new friendships and exciting possibilities filled the campus. Here are the details. Deeksharambh 2026 welcomed the new batch to SGT University with an atmosphere filled with energy and excitement. Across the campus, students begin familiarizing themselves with their departments, faculty members, and fellow students. The program marks the beginning of their university journey, encouraging them to learn, participate, explore opportunities, and create lasting memories. Bureau Report, SGT Times. Light, camera, and emotion took center stage as SGT students explored the craft of acting through an interactive session. Let's know more about the news. The School of Emerging Media, Communication and Film Studies conducted an acting workshop at the Media Center with filmmaker and actor Dr. Suraj. Students explored camera acting, voice modulation, body language, facial expressions and navras. Practical exercises help participants understand emotional performance, overcome hesitation and build confidence in front of the camera. Bureau Report, SGT Times. Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon. Welcome back. Here what next in the news. BRICS nations have strengthened environmental cooperation by bringing together ideas and successful practices to address some of today's biggest challenges. Let's take a look. At the 12th BRICS Environment Ministers Meeting in New Delhi, 4 knowledge compendiums were unveiled on sustainable lifestyles, wildfire management, landscape restoration, and the circular economy. The documents bring together experiences and innovations from members and countries while promoting knowledge sharing, technology cooperation, joint research, and practical solutions to environmental challenges. Bureau Report, SGT Times. This wraps up today's bulletin. You are watching SGT Times, an initiative by the School of Emerging Media, Communication and Film Studies. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed and see you again with more updates.